Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Tuesday, February 15th, or I should say the 100th day of school. Yes, let's find out what we have in our number corner for the day. Whoa, we have some cool things. We've been talking about congruent shapes. Wow. Today we have two trapezoids. Are these trapezoids congruent? They're clearly the same shape, but are they the same size? Yes, they are, All-Stars. Yes, they are. So these shapes are congruent. Let's count the sides we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. That's going to help us as we put this information on our grid for the day. So we have 2-15, we have trapezoids, four sides, and these shapes are congruent. Shape A is congruent to shape B. All right, All-Stars. Shape A is congruent to shape B. Wonderful. If we continue, we are going to see on our number corner area that we are going to add the 100th day to our information. 100, here it comes. 100 days in school. Yes. Amazing. That means we change all of this information. Now, we have 100 here. We put the number word 100. 100 is equal to 10 groups of tens and 0 ones. We don't have any left over. And then this becomes 70 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Finally, that means we can put a total of 10 dimes that would equal 10, that 100 number. We would change this information over here on the side and erase all of that because we don't need those ones anymore. We're at the 100th day of school, which means we would add just one more group of 10 to make 100. Fantastic. We're going to add cubes to our calendar collection of cubes for the day. We're adding 10 more. How cool. Look at this. Just amazing day. Another group of 10. So now we have 2 groups of 10s. So far we've collected 20 cubes this week. It's the 100th day of school. And I have some surprises for you. We are going to have story time during Number Corner, but it's about the 100th day of school.
Our story today is called The Night Before the 100th Day of School, written by Natasha Wing and pictures done by Mindy Pierce. 'Twas the night before the 100th day when I started to worry. What'll I bring into school? I need something in a hurry. Maybe 100 socks? Already most kids have thought of their stuff. What are you bringing? Flip has 100 photos of his new puppy Fluff. Paul says he's bringing pencils. Carter's got his cars. Jane has 100 jelly beans. Samantha, 100 gold stars. So I got out my dinosaurs, put them all in a line. When I counted them up, there were only 49. I dumped out my piggy bank, pennies, nickels, and dimes. I counted them twice and came up short both times. When what with my wondering eyes should I see? No one else will bring ants, no one but me. That night, while I nestled all snug in my bed, visions of ants, ants, and more ants danced in my head. The very next morning, the big day was here. Hooray for the 100th day of the school year. So away to the school bus I flew in a flash, then hopped off on the sidewalk and made a mad dash. Our class was eyeing a huge cake. It smelled oh so sweet. Share time first, said Mr. Stein. Then after, we'll eat. Mabel went first, with 100 marbles in a can. Shauna showed her sugar cubes. Then came the twins, Stan and Dan. Jocasta had 100 names on her cast. And all of a sudden, it was my turn. At last. I walked to the table at the front of the room. But I tripped on a marble and landed. Kaboom! The lid, it popped open. Ants came running out. Here's one, there's one. Kids started to shout. One by one, my ants marched straight toward the snack table. Don't step on them. They're going for the cake, shouted Michael and Mabel. I headed them off with crumbs from my lunch. Go back to the farm, I told the whole bunch. 60, 70, 80. I counted through 99. Where was the last one? On me, said Mr. Stein. Now that share time is over and the last ant is in, it's time for our party. Let the celebration begin. Are you ready for cake? We all shouted, yes. Then we blew out the candles. How many? Just guess. The end. Thank you so much for listening to our story today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to push.
So All Stars, enjoy this amazing 100th day of school.